welcome to Tech Leveler. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on a Nokia 105. First things first, let's open up the menu, and when you're in the menu you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the settings app here and want to tab into that. Now you want to select the first option on the list, tone settings. Now again, the first one on the list, ringtone. Now when you scroll over each one, it will let you know the sound of each one. And when you press the large button to select it, that will be your new ringtone. So that's how to change the ringtone on the Nokia 105. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.